In this video, we will show how to calculate an integral using the integration by parts method. First, let us have a look at the theory. Let f of x be equal to g of x times h prime of x. Then the integral of f of x with respect to x is given by g of x times h of x minus the integral of g prime of x times h of x. Now, let us look at an example to see how this works. We can use a step-by-step plan to calculate the integral of x cubed times the natural logarithm of x with respect to x. Step 1. Determine the functions g of x and h prime of x such that f of x is equal to their product. These functions must be chosen in a way that g prime and h are easy to calculate. In our example, the most convenient choice is g equal to the natural logarithm of x and h prime equal to x cubed. Step 2. Determine g prime of x and h of x. To find g prime, we differentiate g. The derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. We calculate h by integrating h prime. The antiderivative of x cubed is x to the fourth over 4. Step 3. Use the integration by parts formula to find the integral of f of x. We substitute g, h, and g prime into the formula. That gives ln of x times x to the fourth over 4 minus the integral of 1 over x times x to the fourth over 4. Step 4. Determine the integral of g prime of x times h of x. This is given by the integral of 1 over x times x to the fourth over 4. Simplifying gives 1 over 4 times the integral of x cubed, which equals x to the fourth over 16, plus the constant of integration, c. Finally, step 5. Determine the final answer by substituting step 4 in step 3. The integral of f of x is given by the natural logarithm of x times x to the fourth over 4 minus x to the fourth over 16, plus the constant of integration, c. This concludes the example. Thanks for watching.